Meaning of du jour.
Du jour.
Du jour.
Du jour.
Du jour. Du jour is a French term that means of the day. In English, it is commonly used to describe a dish or menu item that is featured for a particular day or period of time. This implies that the item is special, fresh, and available only for a limited time. The phrase has also been extended beyond the culinary world to describe anything that is trendy or fashionable at a particular time. Overall, du jour connotes a sense of exclusivity and uniqueness that is associated with something that is only available for a short period.